boys were playing and the house fell down. They're keeping each other, the boys like making up stories. And one day his, friend just has tea and doesn't wake up. It's just this like horribly sad. But it includes a lot of historical things that I got from him for like a keepsake when he's older. Jenna just won't have it anymore. She's like, whatever, this kid's crazy.
I just love his laugh.
Go get her! Go get her!
Oh.
Go get her!
Go get her.
You did, Jenna.
Where are you going? He's I'm thirsty. Yeah. And you can pretty much, is there enough in there?
Is that
Oh
such
my
a
God.
silly kitty? Is that such
She's
a
getting big.
I said kitty.